Hello guys, just watch this video. This is how you fix the mosquito net. Ayan. Look at this guys. It's where break it down. Do like that. Ayan. Make it slowly. Slowly but surely. Look at that video. Ayan. You're gonna fold it, hold it tightly, and then like that, and just another fold like that, and you're gonna press it down. All right, that's it. Okay, shout out to my fixer. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Joy Piang Vlog. Here we go. It's about to finish time. Then get the bag of a mosquito net. And gonna fix it. Alright, that's it. Thank you to my fixer, Pastora Aubrey Lovely Salutan. Thank you very much. Ayan na, it's all done.